Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are drawing some Kathak dance poses. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, who is a recognized Indian Kathak dancer and a career officer with Indian Audit and Accounts Service? She performs in India and internationally and has been awarded the Padma Shri. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's start with some Kathak dance poses, which will help us in understanding the human figure in action. For the first sketch, our character is standing on one leg and has both arms in air. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Remember to keep the balance of the sketch in check. Using an eraser, erase out the lines as shown. After that, let's get started on the details of the character, as this is a traditional dance form, so draw the details accordingly. These poses help in understanding the human figures better, as there's a flow to these poses. Our second is in a pose where her knees are bent. Use the lines for checking proportions and positioning of the pose as shown by us. One of her arms is in air and the other is touching her neck. Add the details accordingly. Our last character is balancing on one leg with both her arms in air. Start with basic shapes again and places the shape to maintain balance of the pose. Now let's start with the details on the character. Draw the drapery and the ornaments on the body accordingly. Expressions are also an integral part of Kathak dance, so draw in the expression taking your time. Now let's study the head and the expression of the character. Next to the character, draw the enlarged head using basic shapes. Mark the placement of eyes, nose and mouth using lines. Now draw in the final details. Such exercise help in studying the human figure better. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question, Shobna Narayan is a recognized Indian Kathak dancer and a career officer with Indian Audit and Accounts Service. She performs in India and internationally and has been awarded the Padma Shri. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.